Right now in our country, there's a labor shortage of skilled workers out there in the U.S. And so we need to make sure that we are getting kids the training that they need at a younger level and have that interest to go into the trades. And SkillsUSA is a great organization that is helping to get kids ready to be on the job day one.
Blue-collar workers are really the backbone of America, and being able to keep that alive I think, is a really important part of what America is, and to keep it going in the future.
One of the reasons that we were excited to partner with SkillsUSA was because of the professionalism that these kids have and what they are taught in these classrooms. Keep Craft Alive is really focused on three things. First, it's about bringing awareness to this labor gap that we have going on in our country right now. Second, it's about elevating the work that these tradespeople are doing and what they're doing on a day-to-day job, and really making sure that that work is elevated. And then third, it's about donating to the scholarship fund. So we know that there's a lot of kids that are invested within the construction industry and want to further their education, whether it's post-secondary education, an apprenticeship program, a technical college. And so by joining with Keep Craft Alive, we're able to raise funds for those scholarships and help them pursue their careers in the trade profession.
Seeing the kids work on a specific skill and focus on how to do those things, learning how to use the equipment, just anything involved with that trade. It's going to be critical for their career and what they're doing. It not only just in their career, but also in life.
Pella really wanted to partner with both these organizations, Keep Craft Alive and SkillsUSA, because we know that it really aligns with also helping our communities. That's always been a part of Pella's passion and foundation, and we want to make sure that we're reaching out to the community and working with our up-and-coming leaders.
You can do like a wide variety of things with the craft, like getting hands-on learning and training, and from there you can do so many things. It's like amazing what you can do with just like technical skills.
Being here on site at the SkillsUSA National Convention has been amazing, and it's really exciting to see that this is our up-and-coming workforce and what they're doing here at the national competition.